Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some Perrin product, and that's going to consist of a strut bar, radiator shroud, and a tow hitch. Follow along. The reason why I'm going with the strut bar is it gives the vehicle more structural integrity in the front by linking both strut towers together. So when you're taking a corner or a turn, it gives even pressure to each side of the vehicle rather than just one side. By taking off this nut and that nut right there, the two, and then the same thing on the other side.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on.
So the reason why I'm going with the radiator shroud is because this area looks so empty and gross. That radiator looks ugly, so ugly. So I'm gonna try to hide it. Unfortunately, I cannot use this tow hook because I have a front mount and it's in the way. Hey guys, that concludes the video for the install of the Perrin Strut bar, radiator shroud, and the tow hook. One of the reasons why I went with the tow hook is because you never know what situation you're going to be in that you need to use it, and I'll always have it readily available. Unfortunately, it's going to be on the back side, not the front, but it is what it is. I hope you guys have a great day, beautiful night, and peace.